Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create a plugin button which could enable and disable a GUI. For example, my plugin right here, Parts Plus, I can enable it and disable it. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make a plugin like this, and then you could script whatever you want the GUI to be. So let's get into it. So to start off, we will make a folder inside of wherever you could put the folder wherever you want. I'm just gonna put mine in starter GUI. Then we can name this basically whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want, but this is basically gonna be where your plugin is stored. So we could do like plugin or GUI plugin. Now we want to actually make the GUI. So you can insert a screen GUI into starter GUI. You can name this plugin GUI. Then you could basically just make the GUI however you want. So this is my frame. This is my GUI complete for now. So we want to put the GUI inside of the folder, and we also want to disable it. So over here you'll see enabled. You want to disable it. Now we could put a script inside of here, and this will be the script that basically creates the button. Now you could also put your plugin, all the code for the plugin inside of here. I would recommend doing that, but you don't have to. You could also make another script inside of here and have the whole plugin script inside of here. But I'm just gonna script everything from here. So we want to do local plugin, or yeah, we'll do local plugin button. And then we could do is equal to plugin, and then we could do create toolbar. Yeah, I think that's right. So yeah, create toolbar, and then over here, this is gonna be the name of, it will basically, over here it says, so whatever you type over here will appear right over here. So I'm just going to type AccessQ. Then we want to do create button, and then we could do the name of the plugin. So plugin name, this will basically be, well, the plugin name. So Parts Plus or Viewport Frame Editor, Moon Animator. Then over here, this will be basically whenever you hover over something, a plugin, it basically says text. So it says like info. So Parts Plus, it says with this plugin you can get access to spawn a bunch of different parts. So that's what you want to type there. So hover text, and then we want the plugin icon. Now for the plugin icon, you need to use basically an RBX asset ID. So it would look like RBX asset ID / your asset ID number, basically. So that's how you want it to look. So now to move on, we can make another variable to detect if the plugin is enabled or if it's not enabled. So we can type plugin progress, or is on, is equal to false, and then we could also do a clone. So we'll do a clone of the GUI. So we want to type local GUI is equal to script.parent.plugin GUI clone. Then we could place the GUI inside of, so we want to do GUI.parent equals game.core GUI. Now we want to detect when you click on the actual plugin button. So we'll type plugin button dot click, and then we could do connect function. Then we could do is on is equal to not is on. So it will basically constantly reverse it. So if it's false and you press it, it's going to change to true. Then if you press it again and it's true, it'll change to false. Then we want to type plugin button set active. So set active basically is, let me show you. So this will basically make it like if it's active or not. So you see this is active. It has like the dark outline. And when it's not active, it's just the background. So this this we basically want to type inside here is on, so it will be either true or false, which will be determined via this over here. And then we want to do GUI.enabled is equal to is on. So now that we typed all of this, the plugin button should be done. So something you could right click on this, and then you will basically get a list of things you can do. All the way on the bottom, there's something that says save as local plugin. You could click on that, then it will open up your files. Just press enter, and then you could go to your plugins, and you'll see right over here it says AccessQ. There's no icon because I didn't add any. Now it doesn't show the plugin name over here because there's not enough room, so it doesn't also show all of these names. So if I click on this, there we go, it enabled, and now if I click on it again, it disabled. Now if you want to sell the plugin basically in the Roblox marketplace, you can right click this again, and then on the bottom of the list there's a button that says publish as plugin. Just click on that, and it will basically just be like publishing a model. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. If you do subscribe, make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified when I upload my next scripting tutorial. Again, thanks for watching, and see ya.